For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Here is the NASDAQ scalper trading plan going into the Thursday session, and we see that we've got a 122.50 entry that is right in line with what we're seeing going on before the market opens. 122.31 is the tick just a few minutes before the opening bell. We got about 2 minutes to go here before the market officially opens for trading. What that tells us is that we want to see a move up above 122.50 and then a move back down to our profit target at 122.27. And let's take a look at how to set that trade up just prior to the opening bell. So if you want to make sure that Apple is trading up above 122.50 after having traded at 122.31, you're going to click on a conditional order and you're going to say sell short. When the enter conditional order box pops up, you're going to use a price trigger. Last price has to be greater than or equal to 122.52, let's say, so it has to tick just above that entry price. If that happens, we're going to sell short, turn off request confirmation, put a stop limit order together. 122.50 is going to be the activation price or the stop price. 122.49, the worst price I'm willing to accept. And then we click on place order. Then we can set up the additional legs of this order to cover up that trade. Buy Apple. And in this case, we're going to use an order trigger. We're going to use that live order. If Apple is sold short, adjust the dependent volume, use the trade volume, delete the dependent order if the trigger had failed, and then we're going to say buy it for a profit, 122.27. Click on place order, and then if we want to pre-program our stop loss, usually on these I'm just going to use my my discretion to exit the order, but we go through, select the live Apple order. So if we had the sell short order happen, again adjust the dependent volume, delete it if it didn't happen, and we're going to go down here and we're going to say buy it. And in this case, if we got in at 50, let's just say that we want to get out at 122.61. And since it's Apple, I'm not going to be looking for a market order on this, although I could do a stop market. I can also do a stop limit. I can change the stop price to 122.61 and make this a marketable limit order up to 122.65. Place that order as well. And now we see that on the opening bell, what happened was we started trading down here around 122.30. Price moves up above 122.50, triggers us in, gets a 122.50 entry, moves down to the 122.27 profit target, and takes us out of the trade. The important thing to do at that point is to cancel the other leg. So on the conditional orders, you are not going to have a cancel in place once the other part of the order fills. So if you get filled at the profit target or you get filled at the stop loss, you need to cancel the remaining order, or else you're going to get filled long in this case if price ever moves up to that stop loss level. So very important to remember, always cancel the remaining order after you get the fill. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you're having a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for Friday. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.